बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। रब्बे ज़िदनी इल्मा. Now this is a question given by the examiner. So we will go step by step. First of all, we will say let the given expression whatsoever has been given by the examiner, we will suppose that equal to x. So x is equal to this expression. Write 3 here, okay, here, and then write this expression 0.714, 20.37, 60.8. Now these are log questions, so take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. So log, only you have taken log, nothing more. Same question, remaining question will be same, x, and then and point 0.7214 and 20.37 and 60.8, and you have taken log over here. Now instead of this you can write it like this, that log point 7214 into 20.37 60.8 whole raised power 1 by 3, because if there is a and x, then you can write it like this, that x raised power 1 over a. Now you apply formula of log, then this your 1 over 3, this 1 over 3 comes here, log x, and 1 over 3 comes here, and log log 0.7214 and 20.37 divided by 60.8. Now you are supposed to apply formulas of log over here. So we will just refresh our formulas over here. If there is a log m multiplied by n, then you can write it like this, that log m, this m, then place plus over here, and log n. Once the numbers will be multiplying with each other, then you will place log and place plus over here. And once there is a log m divided by n, then log m, now they are divided. In case of division, you will place minus over here, and log n. And once there is a log m n, so this n come first, and log m. If there is a log A multiply B divided by C. So I will write like log A plus log B minus log C, because this C is in a denominator. A and B are multiplying, so I place plus over here, but C was here, I place minus over here. So going, that is 1 over 3 over here, and log 0.7214 plus log 20.37, then minus log 60.8. Now putting the values of this log over here, that is 1 over 3. Putting the value of this log over here, that will be 1.85, and 81. Then value of this one, that will be 1.3090, and this one, that will be minus 1.3839. Once we go further and we simplify, so I can write this one like this, that 1 over 3, this is minus, so I can write minus over here, minus 1 plus 0.8581 plus 1 plus 0.3090, and then minus 1.7839. So I simply go 1 over 3 and I add this one and this one. So finally I get 1.1671, and then I add this one and this one. I simplified this one, so finally I got 1.1671 minus 1.7839. Now simplify it, and after simplification you will get log x is equal to 1.7944. You take log on the other hand side, so x will be equal to NT log of 1.7944. So your answer that is desired by the examiner will be equal to 0.6229. This is the required answer. So these calculations, this application of formulas is most important. This application of formulas is more important, and these calculations with you can do all these calculations with your calculator. But once you will be knowing the formulas, that is log m into n, that will be equal to log m plus log n. Now they are multiplying with each other, but once you will expand them, then log here m, and you will place plus over here. Similarly, there will be log m divided by n, so that will be equal to log m minus log n. And once there will be log m raised to the power n, so this n comes first, and log m. When there is log n a, so you can write like this, that log n b and log a b. Once there the log a into b into c into d, so they are multiplying with each other, so there will be log a plus log b plus log c plus log d. So once you will be knowing formula, then it will be easy for you to apply the formula. Once you apply on some, then first of all you suppose that the given expression is equal to x, and whatsoever the term 2.37 whatsoever, and 1, and over here something is written that is 0.9127. So first of all you will take log on both sides, that is log here and log here. Then you will take log of this expression plus log of this expression. Once you will simplify them with the help of your calculator, then you will be left with log x over here. So once you will take this log on the other hand side, then that log will be converted to anti-log. So these all questions are very simple, but that requires that you should know the formula. You should practice these formulas. Once you practice the formula, then these are very easy and easy to solve and get the answer. Basic thing that is having more weightages, that you should practice applying the logarithm formulas. Okay, thank you very much. Lot of prayers. Allah keep you away from all discomforts, and lot of prayers with my Eid breath. Assalamu alaikum.